Well, today we're going to solve one of the ongoing problems with the Jeep JL, and that's having a saggy bag. No one wants a saggy bag. Saggy bags are ugly. Saggy bags are kind of useless. Saggy bags really don't do you much good. And once they go saggy, there's no bringing them back. So the other day, browsing on Facebook, I ran across an ad for these DV8 Molle panels. And it's going to go on here. It's going to give us some room to put phones, maps, and things. And it's supposed to be wide enough to actually put a water bottle. All we need is some scissors or a knife to cut the bag off. We need a T15 screwdriver. We're going to take the screws out of the bottom and reuse those. And should be pretty easy install. Let's cut the bag off. Now you can use a box cutter or anything else to cut these off. I'm just going to go around and snip around the elastic first. Obviously there's no going back once I get started, so hopefully this won't be a problem. Now, optionally, you can remove this elastic strap. You're just going to basically pull it out, and there's kind of a guide wire inside there to hold it in place. We'll decide if we're going to do that. So I'll get this bag cut off, and we'll see what the next step is. Okay, we've got the bag off. We're going to use our T15 and take these bottom screws out, and we're going to reuse these in just a moment. And now this is supposed to just slide into place. Okay, I put the front in first, and then it just slid down into position. So now we have these two things, these two things here, and okay, took a little extra pushing it down to get it into position. Feels very secure. Okay, so this side needs to come down into it some more. Okay, that feels pretty flush. Yep. Hole lines up. Now I may leave this one here on her side because she often puts maps and things. That may help keep things in place. But let's see. Look at that. You can actually fit a water bottle in there. Very, very easy install. So I've got the driver's side off, and I am going to try and remove the elastic strap here because this thing is pretty useless. And it says just to take some needle nose or something and just pull on it. Okay, well that was pretty straightforward. Huh. There we go. That was one of the easiest mods I've ever done, and it adds nice functionality. Well, hard not to be happy with that. You've got a Molle panel on here. You can attach other things, bags, whatever you want on here. There's not a lot of room between here and the seat, so you're kind of limited on how much you can put on here, but you can. You got room in here for your phones, keys, other things that can fit in here. You got room for a water bottle over here. It's pretty nice. I gotta say, I'm kind of surprised. The installation guide said that this should take an hour. I think I've been out here 10 minutes, maybe, maybe 15 minutes max. I don't know. It hasn't been very long. This is a very, very fast install. It just goes really smooth. As you're pulling the net out of the bottom, pull it really tight. Clip one end and it will kind of come through because it's just looped around a wire underneath there. So as you go, you just go clip, 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 and it comes right off. It doesn't really leave anything inside. So I'm pretty happy with that. I got this on Amazon. I think it was $109. Next day delivery from Amazon, really cool. This wasn't sent to us by DV8. We bought this directly on Amazon from an ad that we saw, and we're pretty happy with it. We wanted to get some solution soon, and we leave in a few days for the Oregon BDR, so I think this will really come in handy. There you go. Pretty quick, easy, and useful solution to droopy bags, because nobody likes droopy bags, right? Thanks for watching, everybody. This has been Kerry, and from Katerina and myself, stay safe out there. We'll see you on the trails.